These historical dice may look the same at first glance, but there are subtle differences. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. And in this channel we care for the geeky and playful parts of life. If you are a self-defining geek, passionate about creating, this is the place for you. Over the coming week we will look at dice and randomness. One die per episode, one episode per day. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon, that way you don't miss anything. These are replicas of bone dice, as would have been used in medieval and Renaissance times. They look all the same, but they are different in how the numbers are spread across the die. This die is very similar to modern dice. Opposite of the 1, you will find the 6. Opposite of the 2, you will find the 5. And opposite of the 3, you will find the 4. But on this one, opposite of the 1, there's the 2. Opposite of the 3, there's the 4. And opposite of the 5, there's the 6. And both those two kind of make sense to us. First time you look at this one, it doesn't make any sense at all. But then you kind of figure out how they were thinking. As a band across the die, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the sides you have 5 and 6. All of these types of dice have been used throughout time, in different time periods and in different places. So there is no right die and no wrong die. It all depends on what time you are thinking about. So if you are doing reenactment and really want to dive into game design and board games, then one thing you should think about is what kind of die do you use and what was most common in that place where you want to reenact. And then of course you need to find the dice if you don't want to make them yourself. And there's a lot of different people who make historical dice. These specific ones were made by Monica Thielen from the Netherlands. I probably butchered the name, I'm sorry about that. I'm in no way sponsored by her, but I will leave the link below because I love these dice and she's doing beautiful work with a lot of game pieces. To get to know more about different kinds of dice and randomness, there's a playlist over here with all the episodes. And if you like this and would like to help out, then become one of the creative geeks by subscribing and leaving a comment and sharing this video with a friend. It really does make a difference and I really appreciate it.